Baby, I found the suspect of the dengue fever in the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah, dengue fever. It's by mosquito, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. This one.
Hello mga Inday Dudong! This is Michelle, Filipino nurse in Australia. Tara, let's go to the art gallery.
Where are we going, baby?
The art gallery.
Yay! Thank you. I'm so excited to go to the art gallery, especially with this weather. Look. They have. Yesterday there was a storm, strong winds, and then pouring rain, and now it's the same. It's cloudy all over. So I said maybe we'll do some indoor activity, which is museum or gallery. So you excited to go to the gallery, art gallery?
Yeah, really. I want to go to the museum.
It's not really excited to go to the art gallery.
Agoy, excited na ko. I'm heading to the art gallery. Yay! Na-appreciate ko kasi yung talent ng ibang tao. And they're very creative. Nakaka-amaze yung mga artists. Rampa dyo taday, kaya diri rata karampa. Hala, ang daming tao. There's so many people. Hala, uy, creative ba, ani?
They're singing.
Wow! This painting is called Snowdrop and Seven Little Men, and I think this is where Snow White and Seven Dwarfs story came from. Look at that. You see me? Come here. So this is Snowdrop, not Snow White. And look at the dwarfs. The dwarfs in the cartoons look so nice. They look so like they're a bit like scary, no? And it says here. Snowdrop and the Seven Little Men, 1897. So maybe that's where Snow White comes from.
Raon sa mani, uy, Python mani. Brahma ni kadako sa. May maumani sa una, walay kamera, so painting na lang. Kani, tinitanaw ko, mura siya katong Palawan, no? Or sa Cotabato ba? It's very pretty. 3D, medyo ni siya good. Tapos look at the ceilings. It's so pretty, no? Then we went to the red room na yung mga Jesus, mga religious na mga painting. And I'm so amazed by this painting. I told my husband, we can have this in our dining room. It's made of enamel and rhinestone. Sparkling yun na siya na painting. Unya kani, mura manig akong mama na collection ng mga figurine sa balay. Daghang figurine. Agoy si Dudong kaluoy, nag-inusara ra. Unsa man po ni si Manong, uy, nagpagawas ng iro, naghubo man. Manong pag shorts, pwede ra, di ba kapanuhuton, ana, agoy, ang lubot na klaro pa, Diyos ko, Lord! Huy!
Maybe I found my auntie.
Where?
My auntie?
Where?
Agoy kanina, amazed ko, Tcharing! O di ba mga pots ni nanay na adira. Unya ingon ko sa ko mama, nga naman wala ka nagpa-painting na ako. Di ko gananan ng picture kani painting for forever. O di ba, this is so chada, this is so pretty. I love this room. Ang decoration magud niya nindot kaayo. And then of course ma-explore ta sa other room. I really like this art gallery. It's quite small but it's enough. So naa sila traditional na painting, abstract, modern. Kani diri modern na nina, wala na may kasabot unsay pasabot aning mga painting.
What is that?
What's that? What do you think it is? What do you
Shower.
think it is? Shower in bath.
Looks like someone spilled paint on the deck.
Baby,
Yes?
I found a painting of me doing yoga the other day. That's me doing yoga pose.
Looks like a bloke.
It's like my grandma when she's doing the laundry and she's upset. Ina, it's like you when you're upset, Ina. I think this is the most impressive painting I've ever seen. So this painting has animal and rhinestones. That's why it's hard. That's the devil, okay?
Nya ka ni modern art siya na. Isa na dyan siya kabato sa middle. Unsa may pasabot, ana. Pasabtak ko.